Cleaning your sidewalks isn't bad when you have the right tools. Thank goodness I've got something. Come check it out. Hey guys, good morning. We are starting now, picking up where we left off yesterday. As you saw in the video, we spent yesterday afternoon doing pressure washing and got some pretty dramatic results. The sidewalk was in pretty bad shape and needed really cleaning, and the pressure washer did a fantastic job. I will pan around and show you guys it is now all clean and dry. So now we start with phase 2, which is sealing. Just as important as cleaning is sealing it. You can go to any of your concrete dealers in the town and tell them you need a good quality concrete sealer. They all sell them. I'm using this product here by Kaufman, and it contains 25% silicone, and it'll go down, it's clear, and it'll seal it and make a beautiful finish. It'll actually darken it up some. So time to get busy with phase 2. So let's get back to work. Well, okay guys, the first coat of sealer is on. It's been about 45 minutes to an hour. Everything is dried and it's not even sticky. I'll pan around, it turned out great. You can see it really darkened it up, and it's got a nice little shine to it. Now when it rains, it will actually bead up and the water will run off. But anyway, now it's time for the second coat, so let's get busy with that. we just finished up the second coat and it went on real easy. Looks fantastic. The second coat is a much more glossier finish. First coat soaks in a lot more product and it's really penetrating the pores of the concrete. Anyway, it turned out fantastic. I'm gonna give it about 30 to 45 minutes to dry, and then I'm gonna do a really cool reveal for you guys here at the end of this video. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. And always remember, with Project Next, there's always one more. We'll see you guys real soon. Take care. Thanks.